Here we go, getting ready to cut throats on fish. Here we go, now Tim's got one. Bring him in, Tim.
Here, show him all these fish at my feet. There's like 4 8-pounders laying there. You sure you're on video, not camera?
I'm on video.
All right.
Couple more in
Got
here.
one alive well? Shit,
Don't trip on the fish.
What are we doing to these fish now? I don't want them to die because I want to cut their throats.
They'll be all right.